Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how much money I have spent in the year of 2021 for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Okay, and how much I have made in 2021 from Amazon KDP. So for that, I already have created the video and you can find the link in the description box. If you haven't watched the video, make sure that you watch the video so that you'll get an idea how much I have made in 2021 from Amazon KDP. And let's now start with how much I have spent in 2021 for Amazon KDP. So I'll see you on the other side of the video. All right, so how much money I have spent in 2021 for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing? Okay, so in case if you are new to this channel, so I have selected Amazon KDP as one of my passive income stream and I'm documenting my journey on this channel. So in case if you're new to the channel, it would be great if you could hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. And with this said, let's now take a look at how much money I have spent in 2021. Now, in order to show you that, I would like to take you to my ad campaigns. Okay, so Amazon KDP ads. So I have heard so much about Amazon KDP ads and I wanted to try it. I want to try like how Amazon KDP ads are working for me. And this is what I'm sharing, like how much money I have spent on Amazon KDP ads. Okay, so here you can see that I'm on Amazon KDP advertising, that is United States platform, and overall I have spent around 18.16 US dollars for Amazon KDP ads, and to my surprise, I have generated zero sales out of my this spend, and that was the reason I have kind of stopped running any of the ads, and I was kind of doing the experimentation with the ads in order to see that if at all I'm getting any sales or not. But I didn't find any fruitful results, so I thought not to spend more amount of money in running Amazon KDP ads, and I just stopped it. I don't know whether it was a right decision or a wrong decision, but that was the decision that I felt it's most appropriate at that point of a time. So I took that decision. And yes, here is overall, that is 18.16 US dollars that I have spent in Amazon KDP advertising on US market. And similar thing I also did for UK market as well. So let me just show you that as well. I have already opened that. And here you can see that the span that I have done is around 0.19 pound. Okay, so 0.9 pound is the only thing that I have kind of spent in UK market. And if you see the combiningly overall, so around 19 or $20 is something that I have spent overall in the year of 2021 for my Amazon KDP book publishing business. And this thing is something that is the only spend that I have made. And apart from that, as you are already aware that I'm kind of using the Canva free tool, and because of that free tool, I haven't spent any kind of money in any subscription as well. And I generally try to make the book interior by my own self, and I also create the book covers by my own self. So for that one as well, I haven't spent any money. And as you have already seen that the amount of money that I spent for Amazon KDP ads was around $20, but that hasn't generated me any of the sales. So that means all the sales that I have got so far and the amount of money that I have earned as a royalty that you would have seen in my earlier video of how much money I have made in 2021 from Amazon KDP. So all that was completely organic. Yes, all that was completely organic. And as I'm documenting my journey over here, so I wanted to kind of make a kind of a year-end overview, like how much money I have made and how much money I have spent. So that's the reason I created these two videos. I hope you would have liked these videos, and these videos are just for information purpose, just for education purpose. and it is just like about sharing my journey of Amazon KDP. So in case you are interested to know more about my journey, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. I would really appreciate that. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up to this video. And if you didn't like the video, you can hit the dislike button as well. And any of your feedback, suggestions, put that into comment section. I would love to read that. And thank you for watching the video. And with that said, I would like to conclude this video. Have a happy new year and happy publishing. Thank you very much.